So over here you can see that I have a footage, and let's say what I want to do is I want to add in an effect onto it and then animate out the effect as well. So over here you can see that there's this footage, and let's say in the beginning part of the footage right here, I want to add in an effect and then animate it. So if I were to go around onto effects right here, then you can see that there's many different effects that you can choose from right here. From effects, like you can go around and use resolve effects, as you can see right here, and so forth. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to add this zoom blur effect right here. So let me just go around and drag it down over here onto this video clip, and you can see that the effect is added in. So what I want to do is I want this to start out like this, and slowly I want it to fade out and turn into a normal clip right here. So I want the zoom blur only in the beginning, and slowly I want it to fade in into a normal footage. So to do that, you can go around onto the inspector panel right here, and then you can go to effects, as you can see, and here you can see zoom blur can be turned on or off right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change around the amount, the zoom amount. As you can see, you can change this around right here. So let's say this starts out like this. And what I want to do right here is I want to add in a keyframe right here. So I want to set the starting point right here as this state. So I'm going to go around and add in the keyframe right here, just like this. So once this is done, you can go around, move up the timeline cursor to where you want the effect to not be so much like this, and you can go around, and since I already added in a keyframe, I can change around the zoom amount right here until the zoom amount is nil. But you can be very specific by typing in the value over here as well. So now the zoom amount is nil on this part of the timeline, where in the beginning there's a lot. So this and this. So now what happens is that it goes around and then adds in the in-between frames right here, so that you can see that it actually goes around and then adds in an effect right here, just like this. Similarly, you can add in other effects over here as well, or you can go around and change around, let's say for example, center exclusion right here, just like this as well. So let's say I want it to start up the keyframe like this, and over here, as right around over here, I want to change around the center exclusion as well. So you can see that this is more like an effect right here, just like this, and that is how it actually works out like. And you can add in keyframe to all of these properties as long as you see the keyframe icon right here. And that is how you can go around and animate out different effects that you may have inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.